Good morning, everyone. The sun is in my eyes and I'm squinting right now. Headed into Epcot, as you can see. There it is. I am so excited. Epcot is my favorite of any park, anywhere. And we get to ride the monorail over to it. Just parked in the parking lot. Got here early enough to get a close space, so that's good. It's about an hour before it opens, but we got here to get parked, ride the monorail, and to buy the tickets, so that just gets a little time to get here and get in, because that's the best thing to do is arrive as soon as the park opens, or actually before it opens, and then you can head straight to the rides you want to do first and get those out of the way, and there won't be as many lines and no crowds. Okay, I just realized we don't get to ride the monorail. I'm a little disappointed. Entrance is that way. And I cannot remember why, because I really thought I was going to get to ride it. I may ride it anyway later in the day. Because there's where you buy your tickets over there if you haven't already purchased them. And then there's the bag checker people. Finally, and we're headed over to Soaring. It's on the west side of the park. So basically, when you walk into the park, you just go past this ginormous looking golf ball and go right. There is a ride up in there, but there's usually no wait time, so I'll come back and do that later. Go to the most popular rides first. Okay, so we're getting close to the turn that'll take us to Soaring, which is in the land section of Epcot. In my opinion, Soaring is the best ride they have, especially at Epcot. Now, I do like some of the others at the other parks, but Soaring is the best. And it's in that building straight ahead. Down to Soaring, that's where everybody else is headed. Like I said, it is one of the most popular attractions at Epcot. There's the sign. Okay, the Fast Pass stations are over to the right. I would highly suggest you go get a Fast Pass first, and then it'll give you a return time to come back to. You just stick your card in there, it'll spit your card back out, you pull your card out, and then out comes your Fast Pass. Wait time was about 10 minutes. That's just an estimate because it seats several people, but the ride is I'm not sure how long it is, but a couple, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, I don't know. This way or right here? Okay, we're going on Concourse 1. approximately 10 minutes from the time we walked in line. Once we were done with the ride, the wait time was already up to 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do is head on over to the test track area. The single rider line is usually pretty quick, so I'm going to do that and then come back and use the fast pass over here at Soaring. It is a bit of a walk, but with all the snacks that I've been eating that I shouldn't have been eating, the walk sure won't hurt me any. It'll do me some good.